Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B. Welcome to another episode. And on this episode, we're going to talk about hair care tips for black men with low cuts. Now, I'm going to run down a couple tips. Tip number one is shampoo less. You don't want to shampoo no more than 1 to 2 times a week. You are going to dry out your hair. You're going to dry out your scalp, and it's going to look a mess. Number 2, moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. Texture hair needs moisture. You need a conditioner, you need a leave-in conditioner, and you need to moisturize your hair. Our hair grows out of our follicle almost parallel to more parallel to our scalp. So we don't get as much moisture from our root to the other end of our hair strand. So we need to moisture, okay? You need more moisture. Tip number 3, own the right products. It is essential. If you do not have the right tools and you're trying to build a house, right? And you come with some Toys R Us toys and you trying to build a real house, you're gonna be in a world of trouble. And you want to make sure you get the right ones that's going to be fitting for your hair. Everybody has different hair types. Tip number 4, exfoliate. You want to exfoliate, right? And what this is going to do is remove the dead skin from your scalp. A lot of guys are walking around here and, they get into the barber's chair and their barbers, they basically essentially starts doing exfoliation with the clippers. That's what is happening. And you start seeing all of this dry hair fall onto the cape. And then you looking like, Frosty the Snowman. That's not a good look. It's not sexy. Tip number 5, at night, it is essential that you should be massaging your hair, your scalp rather, 30 seconds in the evening. And this is going to help with blood flow. As we get older, we find that our circulation gets poorer, and thus our hair begins to thin, and then some of us even start to experience male pattern baldness. Okay, what you want? Which one you want? Blue pill, red pill? It's your choice. I'm just giving you these tips. All right, so I hope that helped you guys. Please leave your comment at the bottom if you have any topics when it comes to hair that you want me to cover. I will be covering this topic a lot more in the future. I just need to know exactly what you guys would like for me to cover. Keep it and leave it in the comments. And then also, while you're here, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you press the notification so you are notified, and then hit the like button. Okay, this is your boy B. You guys could have been anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me, your boy B. Watch our other episodes. Deuces.